We love the idea of lone genius, one person, one breakthrough, but that's almost never the case. If you think about it, when Steve Jobs introduced the iPhone on stage in 2007, it wasn't just him, it was Wozniak in the garage that started this company and thousands of other Apple employees to bring that product to life. Armstrong who landed on the moon, it's not just him landing on the moon, it's the work of thousands of people, operators, engineers, making this project a reality. And what this shows is that nothing meaningful is ever built alone. I had spent years working on creative tools at companies like InVision and Facebook. And what I found is that a lot of the features that we were building around collaboration, they felt like reinventing the wheel. If you think about it, most apps have the same kind of patterns when it comes to collaboration. They're kind of all the same, and they work in a very similar way. And the features that actually drive user engagement and growth for your company, like comments, notifications, or multiplayer editing, even if they may seem simple, they're actually extremely hard to build. So we set out to solve that with Liveblocks. We wanted to make it very easy for companies to build those kind of collaborative apps without having to hire hundreds of, if not thousands of engineers to put it together in-house. In the beginning, we focused on the real-time infrastructure, basically providing building blocks to developers to build real-time apps that feel like Figma or Google Docs, where multiple people can use the same file, same document simultaneously, draw things together, write things together, being able to see the live cursors of that person so it's very clear who is doing what. That's basically what we've built initially. And so we had a good amount of traction, but what we've learned is that even if that was very powerful, there was still a lot of engineering work to do to build an end-to-end app that was collaborative like Figma, Notion, Google Docs, etc. There was a lot of work for engineers to put that together. And so what we decided to do is look at the most commonly used collaboration use cases across those products and start going deep into those. So we started shipping pre-built React components for comments. We did the same with in-app notifications, and we simplified the integration of multiplayer editing into text experiences, right? So if you already have like a text editor in your product, make it very easy to turn that into something that feels more like Google Docs with real-time collaboration, annotations, comments, and all that. So that's basically what we've done, and that was chapter 2 for the company. We've grown massively since then, and now we're entering a new chapter, and that's Liveblocks 3.0, and I'm very excited about it. We're entering a new era where every company has to figure out how to integrate AI in their product. Not as a simple add-on, but something that's actually really useful and valuable for their users, and that's integrated into their workflows. And right now, when you think about it, even myself, what I end up doing is I use one app, and then I switch to another tab to talk to ChatGPT or Claude to get work done and collaborate with an AI to be more efficient myself. That's a lot of back and forth. You have to switch contexts, switch tools. There's something that happens here, something that happens there, a lot of copy-paste. It works, but it feels broken to me. And the more people do this, less likely they are to come back to the initial app, because a lot more work is going to happen in those AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude. What we want to do with Liveblocks 3.0 is enable engineering teams and product teams to bring those AI experiences in their products so that their users don't have to do this back and forth, and so that the AI is more context about the product they're currently using, the state of the app, the kind of actions that can be taken in the app, and knowledge generally about how to use that product. So the AI is way more powerful, way more contextual to the work that this person is doing, and can act as a real collaborator in-app. That's what we want to enable companies to do, bring those AI experiences in their product in a way that's deeply integrated into the user's workflow. And because we already offer other collaboration features like comments, notifications, and multiplayer editing, it's not just about one AI collaborating with one person. It's about entire teams and set of AIs working together in a product to get way more done together as a team, essentially. We're building for product and engineering teams who care deeply about quality. Teams that want to add world-class collaborative and AI features in their product without spending years of engineering work doing it themselves. Our team spent countless hours looking at the best products out there to understand the little details and features that make those products special. And then what we do is that we take this, package it into a set of ready-made features so that you can enable your users to have the same experiences in your product. We're a remote team of passionate and kind people who care deeply about their craft. I know for sure, like everyone at Liveblocks is super passionate about what they do, and they care deeply about providing a great user experience and developer experience. And we thrive to make a product that we can really put our name behind. We believe the best products in the world won't be solo experiences anymore. There will be shared spaces where teams and AI will be working together in real time. So we're building the best interface layer to power that. So whether you're a startup or an enterprise, we're giving you all the tools to build collaborative experiences between humans and AI without any compromise.